Here I have this Philips DuraMax Incandescent 40-watt incandescent light bulb. It has a 2,000 hour lifetime. Unlike most incandescent lamps, they last typically around 750 hours. And the lumen output is 395 lumens. The reason why these probably last longer because the more supports in development. It's only a 40-watt bulb though. So here's the back of the box. It's a super long light bulb, DuraMax. I think it might be a rough service or something. It's medium base, A15 shape, perfect for ceiling fans or decorative light fixtures. It's vibration resistant. Just look how compatible these bulbs are with. You can use them in outdoor lights as well, unlike LED light bulbs. It's 120 volts, very nice, and it's made in the Republic of Korea or Vietnam. Very nice. No Chinese quality here. So I'll take the bulb out of the box. So here's the bulb itself. As you can see, it looks very nice quality. Very nice base there. Yeah, it feels durable as well. That glass is pretty thick. So I'm gonna screw it in and turn it on. I'm gonna give it a whirl. Just a little rusty, but shouldn't affect anything. Very nice bulb. Hold on. So, how do I turn it on? It's pretty bright, very nice. You can feel the heat too. It's not like hot yet though, but. So I'm gonna turn off my lights in my room. So let's go. Turn off that. So this is the only thing that's lit. Very nice soft light. It's lighting everything up nicely. See the room. Pretty bright. Pretty nice for like a little accent light there. See the ceiling. Very nice. So I'm gonna let this run and screw it in the other fixtures, see how hot this thing gets. I'm not gonna put it on the floor because it will melt my floor. Oh yes, I can feel the heat now. There's a cool down. So I have the light all set up. It's completely dark in my room. It's nighttime. Very nice. Phone camera's clean and everything. So I'm gonna turn on the light. Oh yes, this is very nice. Look at that. I feel the heat. Very nice, soft white. It's putting off a lot of useful light here. It's only a 40 watt though. Just look at the colors. Very nice. Warm color. Philips. There's a soda can. Very nice 100 CRI compared to 80 CRI on the LEDs. Nice. Definitely blue color, just like you would see under 100 CRI. Just look at that. Here's the light that is shining. Look at that. It's lighting up the area pretty well. It's a little darker in person, but it's still very nice and bright. So, see if the camera can focus. Yep. Look at that. Nice C-shaped filament in there. So, I'm gonna pause it and let it run for 20 minutes. Yeah, I forgot to bring my phone up, but use the timer, so yeah, I'll pause. So this has been on for 20 minutes now. Got my temperature going now out. So I'm gonna measure the temperature. So it's around 65 degrees in my room. 68. Yep, it's leveling off. 69 actually. So let's measure the heat output of this light. Oh, it's already at 190 after being 20 minutes on. See how hot this gets. Oh my god, it's like 300 degrees. It looks like I'm not gonna measure it any longer. I'm sure it's not gonna get any hotter than this. Just try it one more time. Hold on. Yeah, we're at 269 this time. 270. Yeah, it gets up to 300 degrees. I don't think it's gonna get any hotter. So yeah, that gets really hot for a size A15 bulb. This can probably melt your refrigerator, like if you leave it on too long. I would not trust a fridge that has a failed switch because this thing gets really hot. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this off now, and thanks for watching.